Did you know that young adults with sickle cell disease often face challenges transitioning from pediatric care to adult care? They are used to their parents making all of their appointments, just like any other teen their age, but unlike their peers, they have to begin making these appointments more often than the average young adult. Not only do they have to make frequent routine checkup appointments, they also have to make appointments to go to the doctor or the hospital while experiencing a pain crisis. Surprisingly, oftentimes they have to convince their doctors that they are actually in pain. This sounds absurd, but this is one of the biggest challenges young adults face with young adult care, convincing their doctors that they are actually in a pain crisis. Here's how you can support. If you are a parent of a child with sickle cell disease, begin teaching your child how to make their own doctor's appointments, how to talk to doctors and nurses, how to advocate for themselves. Let them make their own appointments as they become teenagers and listen and coach them until they become comfortable. Honestly, this is something that can be practiced even if your child doesn't have sickle cell disease. But it is very important if they do have this illness because they are going to interact with medical personnel for the rest of their lives. If you are a friend or a family member, offer to go to the doctor's appointment, offer to go to the hospital with them for that additional support. Make it necessary. That support goes a long way. And if you are a doctor or a nurse, understand that every sickle cell patient is different. Their pain is real. And listen with care, compassion, and consideration for what they are going through. Okay, that was today's tip on supporting and bringing awareness to young adults living with sickle cell disease. Check back for more Did You Know tips and check out our webinar on living with sickle cell disease as a young adult.